This is for my babies.
If you don't know how to fit in braids, if you don't have the energy and time to sit down for hours to attach like one curly piece at a time to your hair, or let's say you don't have the money to buy curly hair, girl, this tutorial is for you.
Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful. I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally.
So to achieve this hairstyle, I used one packing color 1 and half packing color 33. I went ahead and cut the hair into 2, feathered out the tips, and my hair was ready. So the first thing I did was take out a piece of hair like so and placed it across my cable. Went ahead to double knot the hair about 2 times, and this is just going to ensure that the hair doesn't unravel or come undone, okay? I went ahead to apply petroleum jelly on my fingertips just to make the braiding process a bit smoother. So now it's time to braid my hair, and all I did was braid the hair down about 10 times. Okay, so I just counted like 1 to 10 in my head as I was braiding, okay? And once I got to 10, I took out the biggest piece from my left side like so, divided that into 2, and just kind of like secured one part away with a croc clip and continued braiding the rest of the hair. You want to go ahead and braid your hair down about 4 inches like so, and this time around you want to take out hair from the right hand side, divide that into 2, and continue braiding the rest of the hair like so. For the third section, we're going to bring our hair from the left side. And from the fourth section, which is like the last section, we're going to bring our hair from the right side. So for each braid, I actually left out 4 pieces of hair, and this is what we're going to be transforming into our curly pieces, okay? Once I braided the hair down about 4 inches, I took out a small piece of hair and made a knot like so, just to prevent the hair from unraveling. And guys, that's the first step to achieving your crochet boho box braids. Like, this was so easy to do, no feeding method whatsoever. And this is how our hair turned out. Like, this is how you get the branches, okay? You don't want your curls to be kind of like one-sided, and no, that's just the beauty about this hairstyle basically. So this is what 20 braids look like. Because I kind of like put numbers when I was braiding the hair down, every single braid kind of like had their loose pieces at the same level. So now it's time to curl our hair, and I'm just going to go ahead and use my flexi rods like so, and I'm going to curl them based off of their layers, okay? So for the first step, I took out all the loose pieces on the first layer and just went ahead to curl them with my flexi rods like so. Meanwhile, if you like what you've seen so far and you're not still subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Like, girl, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is, you know, totally free, okay? I got to the end of the hair, I kind of like divided the tips into two, like 10 pieces, and that was it. For this entire tutorial, I made a total of 80 box braids, and this is what 60 looks like. So it's time to put the hair in hot water, but before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and apply some conditioner to the hair, and this is just going to reduce the amount of frizz. The curly pieces in boho box braids are not this curly, so to achieve that flawless, sexy, sweet, flowy, loose, wavy boho box braids curl pattern, I'm going to go ahead and do what I call the double dipping method. This was born out of my frustration. I tried using like bigger flexi rods and it just wasn't giving me what I wanted. So I went ahead the second time and put the hair in hot water, hot enough to loosen the curls but not too hot to kind of like make the hair straight. And guys, our boho box braids are ready. All right. I didn't want this tutorial to be so long or too lengthy, so in my next tutorial I'm going to show you guys how I installed this. You would not believe how beautiful this looked. Okay, and to every single person that kept on like sending me DMs, sending me emails, commenting, "Love, please can you break the code on how to do boho box braids?" I hope I have finally answered your prayers and I can rest. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. Please make sure you hit the like button, share this tutorial with your friends and your loved ones. Also, don't forget to turn on your notifications just so that when I post the part 2 of how I installed the hair, you'll be the first to know. And with that being said, I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Till then, bye guys. Mwah!